Hi guys, welcome back. I'm so glad you came to today's show. I got an end table the other day. It's just a small wooden end table and I spray painted it black. And then I was like, you know what? I want to do something else to this. I don't know what to do. So I went to Walmart and I found this stuff. It's for a Cricut machine. Can you see that? It's holographic vinyl, like paper. And so I tried it. I took some and it's got adhesive on the back. So I just peeled it off and put that on the lower level of the end table. And I'm gonna show you guys that here in a minute. But then I was like, you know what, this is cool. I'm gonna show my viewers and see if maybe that's something that they'd be interested in doing. So this stuff was like $8 and I don't know how much you get. Oh, 12 by 49 inches. Or maybe that's an 8, I don't know. I can't see. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I have so far and then we're gonna do this last part together so you see how I do it. And you know, if you like it, it's pretty cheap to make a table look cool, right? I mean, you could do it to anything. So let's do this. Okay, so don't mind my horrible spray paint job. I was running out. But anyway, it doesn't matter because I'm gonna cover it. So this is what I was talking about. Oh man, you can't hardly see that. Well, anyways, you get the idea. Let me see if maybe I can, if I tip it. There, you can kind of see it. So anyways, did not anticipate the shine off of that. So that's what we're gonna do to this top part and then we'll see how it comes out. Cool? Cool. Okay, so for this, you need your paper that you're gonna use, some scissors, and then I just use the tip of the X-Acto knife. So then you're gonna get your paper, you know, the length that you need. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut. Okay. Sorry, I have spray paint on me. Oh well, and hair dye. That's awesome. Okay, so then you take the little part back here and you peel it off. I like to do just a little bit at a time. And I like to go a little bit over because I'm gonna come back and cut the rest anyway. And then you just smooth out the booblies. I don't worry too much about it on this first round because I'll come back. We'll listen to it. Okay. So then I do the same thing on the other side. I'm just gonna flip this baby around. Okay, you guys, check this out. So, you know the ringtail lemurs, right? Okay, so they live in packs of 20 to 30. And so there's a lot of competition between the males to get a lady, all right? So this is what they do. I think this is funny. They have these like stink glands on their wrists and on their shoulders. And the ones that are on the wrist, it just kind of lets out a little bit of a stink, and it's short-lived. But the glands on their shoulders, this is gross, it lets out like a brown toothpaste looking goo, and that stinks really bad for a long time. So they will have stink fights and like try to find out who can outstink the others, and then whoever wins gets to go have the lady, the stinkiest. Is that that's something. I don't even know what to say. Now, I don't care if it overlaps just a little bit, because I'm going to have stuff on this table anyway. But I would like it to go, you know, somewhat straight maybe. I don't know. Okay. There we go. I can still come back and fix that, no big deal. Okay guys, it's done. You can see the seam, but like I said, I don't really care because I'm going to cover it with other stuff anyways. Here's the other end. And that's it. So, I hope you guys like that. Maybe you can do something like that similar in your house. If you do, I hope that you will show me what you did. I want to see it. Alright, so thanks for coming, and I will see you guys on the next one.